Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look at the best and worst case scenario of all our favorite crypto assets. So I'm going to cover at least 30 crypto assets in this, and if possible more. Uh, I hope you have read this disclaimer. This is going to be a 6-part series to begin with. In every episode, I will cover 5 crypto assets. So today we are going to cover 5 biggies. Let us look at that and let's directly go to the charts. So the first is the king of crypto, that is Bitcoin. And this is a weekly chart. Every asset that we are going to cover is going to be on the weekly chart. So there is nothing going to be on 4 hour or daily chart, but a weekly chart to look at the overall picture. So if we see this overall weekly Bitcoin chart right now, we can clearly see that this Bitcoin has pumped very well. It is gone down. A major correction is happening right now, and currently it is in a no man's land. This entire wave was built on this breakout over here on the weekly. So around $20,000, approx $20,000 zone. This is a pivot point for Bitcoin. Until and unless we don't break this, there is a good chance of we hitting another all-time high, and that would be at around $99,000. I can see Bitcoin going up to $100,000 in its next leg up. So the best case scenario for Bitcoin for us to continue upwards trend is $97,000 to $100,000. That's where I see Bitcoin price hitting in its next leg up. Okay. And if we fall down, then I see 20,000 as a big support. But guys, you have to understand one thing very clearly. The way we see spikes over here, we might see a spike even below 20,000. This entire range is a support on the weekly chart. If you see this, it was a breakout from here, and there was a small support here, and then we have broken out. So Bitcoin has a history of never retesting its previous all-time high, or not going below as far as down as its previous all-time high. So the previous all-time high of Bitcoin is around $20,000. And this to me looks like a very important point, which would be very difficult to break. But if at all Bitcoin is broken this $20,000 support, we are talking about the worst case scenario. Okay. So the worst case scenario, you will find worst case figures in this. So don't get surprised or shocked. But what we can clearly see in this chart, if we break 20K, then we might go as low as 11 to $12,000 range, or we might have one spike. So the worst case scenario for Bitcoin would be anywhere between 11 and $20,000. This is where we might reverse. That's the worst case. And the best case scenario for next leg up. Okay, this we are talking about the next leg up, that is between 97,000 to $100,000. So in this similar fashion, we are going to look at 4 more assets today in this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. The next asset that we are looking at is Ethereum. And as you can see, Ethereum, again, this is a weekly chart. The best case for Ethereum, what I see for its next leg up, is going to be around $5,200. So which is almost 2x from here. And this entire Ethereum wave is out of this breakout, which the price is near $500. So the worst case scenario for Ethereum would be to come as low as $500. I personally do not think this is going to happen, but again, my job here is to present with you the worst case scenario. So the worst case scenario can be $500. If we look at the 2018 bear market, then Ethereum did come 94% down from its all-time high. And if we consider that if the similar thing might happen, then 94% down from its all-time high, not exactly 94. You can see 94 is matching exactly to our bottom price, but let's say this is 88% down. So $500, and you can see this very clearly. I've marked these positions. This is the range where strong consolidation happened on the weekly chart, and this was the breakout. This was a breakout, this was retest. So the worst case scenario for Ethereum would be to retest $500, and we might see a wick between $500 and $300. Okay, that is the worst case scenario for Ethereum. Personally, I do not believe it is going to come this low, neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum, but we are not here talking about our beliefs. We are just plainly looking at charts. So if you want to prepare for the worst, this is what I think can be the worst. If you want to prepare for the best, the next leg up, I think for Ethereum would be till around $5,200 in its next leg up. Honestly, I think Ethereum will go way beyond, and I think $10,000 for Ethereum is also not impossible. It's on cards, but let's see. What chart is telling me right now is this. The third asset that we are looking at is Link. Link is in fact one of the least pumped assets in this year. It did very well in 2020, but in 2021 it did not do as well as expected. And as you can see, there has not been a mega pump in this chart. We can clearly see in this Link chart, it has grown organically, slowly, and it has not pumped that hard. And hence its price is also not, because it's not pumped that hard, it is not dumped also that hard. Of course, it is dumped hard, but still not. These are all strong support zones, in my opinion, for Link. So the entire wave which was built here for Link, what I see, and this I see as a strong foundation, is at around $10 range. So this is a range where you can clearly see Link had amazing support, and I think $10 is a important price point for Link, because if $10 range is broken, then the worst case scenario for Link would be $3, $2.5 to $3 range. This would be the worst case scenario for Link. Again, personally, I do not believe that we might go that low, but again, this is a worst case scenario. And in its next leg up, I can see Link going to as high as $120. And since it has not pumped that crazy, I think a Link pump is due in the next impulse wave whenever we get it. And $120 for Link is on cards, in my opinion. And again, guys, this is a weekly chart. It's not going to happen in one day or even in 1 month. We are talking about a long-term scenario. The fourth chart we're looking at today is ADA. The best case scenario for ADA for its next leg up, I see, is $3.50. This is what I see for ADA in its next leg up. This entire consolidation, ADA is in fact handled this crash very well. You can see it is still very bullish, clearly very bullish. And until and unless we don't break this $1 to 90-cent range over here, if we don't break this range, because here we are seeing a lot of consolidation. Look at this. But if at all we break this range of 97, 98 cents, between 90 cents to $1, if we break this range, then we can see there is no immediate support, because this entire wave was breakout of this consolidation. So the entire pump of ADA is out of this breakout, which is at around 30 cents. And so the worst case scenario for ADA would be to come and retest 30 cents or even go below for some time between 30 cents to 10 cents, 15 cents, between 30 to 15 cents. Again, this is a worst case scenario. I don't think so we come that low, but everything is possible in crypto. So, and I'm not making this figures out of thin air. What we are looking at the chart, we can clearly see there is ample of support here. There is literally no support here, no retest of any kind. But since it is consolidating over here very well, so this can become a next support. But that's why if at all it breaks 90 cents to $1 range, then this fall is likely because there is literally no support. This is air. So the next big support for ADA would be between 30 to 40 cents. And hence 90 cents is a very important price point for ADA. So the best case scenario for ADA I see for its next leg up is $3.50. And the worst case scenario that we might see ADA going to 30 cents or even below 30, if at all we see some pathetic crash like we saw in the COVID crash. Otherwise, I do not see ADA going below 30. But if it goes below 30, then 30 to 15 cents. This is the worst case scenario we are talking. And I think this, sorry, such scenarios will only play if we have a full-fledged long bear market. But we are looking at charts, and this is what the data is telling us. And the last asset for today's video is Polkadot. If we look at Polkadot chart again, we can clearly see Polkadot is relatively new, and so there is not much history with Polkadot. It's just one hour, 1 year or 15-month old when it started trading publicly. So we can clearly see on this Polkadot chart, it has again had a severe correction after its all-time high. It's looking very similar to the Link chart, but Link had taken a lot of time consolidating over here. Dot has not taken any time consolidating over here, which it is doing right now. So the best case scenario for Dot, which I see is in its next leg up, whenever it happens, is $110. I can see Dot going as high as $110. And if at all we see a full-fledged bear market, then I think Dot can go as low as $7, and we might see it going even below 7, between $4 to $7. We might see Dot going before bottoming out, but $7 is a very strong point for Dot. So between $4 to $7 is what I see worst case scenario for Dot in case we have full-fledged bear market. But guys, this is the first video of 5 assets. I will provide lot more assets, and you also can comment down below. I'm going to look at charts and just tell you what charts are telling me. Whether you feel surprised, shocked, whether you feel good or bad, whether I am bursting your hopium or I am being too bullish or bearish. It is not that. I'm simply looking at charts and telling you what I see in the charts and what data is telling us. So I hope you guys like this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.